Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am providing you a complete course on how to start your e-commerce business. So let's start the video. First of all, introduction to e-commerce. E-commerce, electronic commerce, refer to the buying and selling of goods and service over the internet. It allows various online activities such as online shopping, electronic payments, online banking, and more. E commerce has gained immense popularity due to its convenience, accessibility, and global reach, allowing business to reach customers beyond their physical location and operate 24 hours 7. First of all, choose your niche. Select a specific product or product category that you are passionate about and that has demand in the market. Research your target audience and competitors to identify gaps and opportunities. Second one is market research. Create a detailed business plan outlining your business goals, target markets, unique values, professions, market strategies, financial projects, and operational plans. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. Legal structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole properties, LLC corporation, etc. Register your business name and obtain any necessary license and permits. Choose a business model. Decide whether you shall be manufacturing your own products, dropshipping, and purchasing from wholesaler. Each model has its own pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns with your resource and goals. Build your online store. Choose an on e-commerce platform that suits your needs, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Mentigo, Mangito, or BigCommerce. Design your website with a user-friendly interface, high-quality images, and detailed product description. Ensure your website is mobile responsive. Product scoring. Sourcing. If you are manufacturing your own product, find reliable suppliers and manufacturer for dropshipping or sourcing from wholesaler. Establish relationship with reputable suppliers. Product listings. Create appealing and accurate product listings. Include high quality images, detailed description, pricing, and other relevant information. Make sure your listing stand out and provide value to potential customers. Secure payment gateway. Set up a secure and user-friendly payment gateway to ensure smooth and safe transaction. Integrate multiple payments option to cater to a wider range of customers. Shipping and logistics. Develop a clear shipping and fulfillment strategy. Decide on shipping rates, packaging, and delivery times. Consider offering various shipping options to accommodate different customers' preferences. Market strategy. Develop a comprehensive market plan that includes social media marketing, research, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. Focus on building a strong online presence to attract customers. Customer service. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty. Offer easy ways for customer to reach you with questions or concerns. Respond promptly and professionally to any inquiries. Analytics and optimization. Use analytics tools to attract website traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Use this data to optimize your website, marketing strategies, and product offering for better results. Scaling up. As As your business grows, consider expanding your product range, exploring new marketing channels, and improving your operational efficiency. Be prepared to adopt and evolve based on market trends and customer feedback. Legal and financial management. Keep accurate financial records, manage taxes, and stay compliant with relevant e-commerce regulations. As your business grows, consider hiring professionals like accountants and lawyers to assist with these matters. Keep in mind, remember that starting an e-commerce business requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. Stay adaptable, focus on providing value to your customers, and be prepared to iterate your strategies as you gain insights into what works best for your business. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understand all the steps which I shall guide in this video. So like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.